As you're aware that we have put up two committees specifically to look into the Khasi Jaintia and Garo tribe.
Kapakin bakin dan scientific ni bo kenda bet we kita theory kenda pensyon nong den na kita theory ki prepare komno ban la man sei ya ka ta ka sa phang phmei jo mi khasi kan jin ta ma phak chipon ke
Dao Chief Minister ni deng thang man cha program taring lepa chok badan research program atsikrang ni aru khasirang ni wamang ni ma am bi ko sanjina gata dakani kamera skang pade ungpa anthropological perspective ko bagen yang angane neka atsik jat aru khasi jat dia sunguni mansa iba dia sungu wamang sungdong chingachim warangko sandi ni yarangko tikana gata mangen geni para jatni itihas ni geman pano ni mai take apa chingachim aba chingawnya man sang jang mangba matna depet jatni itihas ko wina gata nambati wina gata aru okni wina gata aru wa wiachi maiba nambata ni rangko ban maiba gija segem rangko and do
a detailed research including DNA mapping, including different linguistic linkages, cultural linkages, to document different aspects of both the Khasi Jaintia tribes and the background and also for the Garo community.
Ka Mewarica Pariat ka walay skor hanot Liberty Higher Secondary School juai ka bayo 10th position hag result HSSLC Arhaja Arphonru art stream wapen banada ka embos ni gasngi kana ko wada Yooluti ko yo ya kani ka kyrdan ne bha wada kreh chitom bha hi ko le hajrong ini nam onggo hawa chani haw blai waro man ibajom we ini ijob ko to ikir khuyong o hawa ikublay ya waro ki embentau I mensin de ikublay kerpang golek khamtam ya ki wasikai wa amdu wasikai ki haki subject tang wa pen Yooluti haro ki kamon uman bru yai cha uptani kreh chitom yo poithong heyato waka art stream onggo mto ka stream wajem we hanlabun ki bruju perkhat ki mto wari ka subject wa miat ujit pure tang wa haka his ngau thu ko wa ijit ko ya ka art stream to I biang tam ya ka we kemen gale wa pure ya kani ka lain Neni chakamat em go thong upure LLB we uyakun gale ya ki civil service exam kamte Yooluti go blai u em lang wa ka yo yo ko ye wa mut wa mang.
Feel overwhelmed with joy and gratitude. My heart is filled with gratitude, first of all, to God. I truly believe that with God all things are possible, and this success is the reflection of His grace and strength in my life. And I want to thank my family and friends for believing in me even though I doubted myself, and to the teachers. They did not just taught subjects, but they taught me how to be patient, how to think, and to be perseverance in my life. And I somehow expected to be in this position because I really work hard, and my gratitude goes to this institution for the guidance and facilities, and I thank all my friends for supporting me, especially my family, my mom, my grandma, and my sisters for their sacrifice and their love and their support. And choosing arts, it was not easy, as people thought that this stream was like not a very well path to choose, but to me I feel like I chose the right path, and I am happy to be here, and let's see how it goes.
Can you tell us what is
plan is to pursue LLB, but I'm really not sure right now, and I'm really hoping I could get what I want, like pursue LLB and aim for UPSC exams and all. But my main aim is to be an MJS, to do it in the first try. Hopefully God will be with me like he is today, and I will get that. To my fellow young friends who are pursuing arts, I would want you to know that it's tough. The pressure from the teachers and friends and all, it's really tough, but you have to believe in yourself and put a lot of effort, dedication, hard work, sleepless nights, and you have to count on yourself and just believe that God will be on your side and do well in your studies, and you will surely perform well.